It me. Welcome to the stream of death. Asterisk, you don't die. Welcome, who is it here? Got Jackster, cutie viewer, Book, Dav, and Darkameel. Dr. Camel. Why do I keep thinking? I just spent such a long time thinking it's Dr. Camel. I just can't get it out of my head now. Welcome everyone to the stream. I know we're a bit late. I was debating whether or not to stream today or not. But I thought, you know, now that I've got like 12 subs, I thought I'd better. Yeah. We're doing the streaming thing and the such. And you know what? Well, two things. One, I got a haircut. And two, I fixed the problem with the bot. Turned out there wasn't a problem with the bot. I was just being dumb. So if others, and in tutorial Twitch bot, VA Python-M Carberra, it loads fine. What happened is that I didn't have a .n file in the directory, so it didn't load. But the bot is online now. I have absolutely no idea what state it is in. So that's an interesting one. Oh, the terminal is still freaking out. Is it just whenever? It's just whenever the mouse goes on top of it. That's what it doesn't like. That's so weird. I can't get my. I had a haircut. I can't get it quite right. It's annoying me. But yeah, so we're essentially going back. Welcome Farquad and Doge. Oh, I think the database is actually reset, you know, for the economy. That's a problem. I probably still have the old one. But yeah, I think it's reset the database. Oh well. So you have CD programs, what is it? / Carberra / planning / Akari testing. That's the one. Knew it was somewhere around here. That's unfortunate. I think I do have the old one somewhere that I could probably re-implant back in. It'd be here because I still have the old programs folder. This is kind of the one that I used to use. Which one would it be? It'd be this one. And then it would be this one, and then it would be this one, and then it would be here. Yes, it would be this. So let me quickly handle that. So I'm gonna shut this down real quick, and then I'm gonna put the old database back in. Welcome to me to the channel. Oh goodness, what an absolute meme. WSL. And I go Debian, home, Parafuxia, program, not downloads, Parafoxia, Carberra, others, tutorials, TwitchBot, Carberra, data, and then replace it. And now, it should work just fine. It should be the old database now. Cool. Oh my god. Yeah, for real. See, I completely forgot how hyperinflated the economy got, I'm going to be honest with you. But what we're going to do today is we're going to finish our Minesweeper game. And when I say finish our Minesweeper game, I mean steal the one that Max wrote. Because Max built one and it actually works. So we're just going to steal his, and he doesn't have a say. Wherever it is it around here somewhere? Oh, where is it? Oh, it's there. Download that. Yes, I wish to download it. Oh, I forgot there was the hacking thing. Oh, God, there's 1.6 million credits in the bank. Yeah, the minus money I think yeah, there was for some every single iteration of betting system I've had, there's always been some exploit that has basically led to infinite money generation. Like there was one in the predecessor to Carberra as well. So it's just one big old meme, really. Where is this going? Let's go in here. Okay, planning Akari testing, bot modules, and then if we set this like Minesweeper 2 or something, and then we just kind of. That's not what I wanted to do, but that isn't what I wanted to do at all. No, no, after all that I spell it wrong. Are you serious? Oh yeah, because it's coming from a Windows download, it has the zone info. I don't think we need that zone info for it to work, though. I think we can get rid of that. Zone identifier. Yeah, we can get rid of it. It's fine. It's perfectly fine. That's a big F. Welcome, Reckner, to the stream, by the way. Hope you're doing okay. God, Cider's still up there. My goodness. One actual meme. So yeah, as you can see, he did quite a lot. Did stuff with data classes and enums and all that jazz. I think I've got to change this one up slightly, you know? Yeah, I've got to make this Minesweeper 2. And this one is going to be Minesweeper. And then we're going to run it. And then we're going to take all the credit. Oh no, I need to launch a Redis server. I always seem to forget to do it. Oh no. Something is going very wrong here. There's like a lot of errors appearing. What is going on here? In the economy, in process credits. I don't think it's adding any credits, you know. What a meme. I don't think Max knew they existed. To be fair, I didn't know they existed either. I think the bot is just messed up. Honestly, I just don't think it's functional at the moment. I mean, you can still get the links and stuff, so that's fine. But yeah, I think it's just kind of memed out. Actually, wait, I've got to. You have to do it properly. That's the wrong one. There we go. So back to the tutorial server. So now we have this Minesweeper, and then a number of bombs. Okay, never mind. You kidding me, dude? Right, there was a bug, he said, in this that meant that some of the values were out. So I guess we'll see if that's they all seem fine at the moment. Dude, are you serious? Why not main.py? Because I couldn't be asked. I felt like the launcher.py syntax was simpler for those coming into a tutorial. Oh, it doesn't give me the surrounding ones. Oh, it starts a new one. Oh, that's someone else doing it. I was like, huh? Is it playing itself? Wow, it's really put all the bombs in one place. Oh, it's you, I see. I was wondering. Has it put all the bombs in the corner? I think it has. I think there's 8 bombs. Actually, I don't know how many bombs there are. Oh, is it one bomb? Did you put one bomb in there? Alright, how about this? Good luck. Damn it. When I did that with Johnny's bot, I actually got it on the first try. It's literally a 1 in 25 chance. Yeah, actually, yeah, this says 5, which is correct. Whoops, that's not right. I wanted to do Minesweeper 24. Bam. Damn it. Oh, no. Unknown interaction. Oh, something's gone horribly wrong. Okay, well, this one's broken. We don't need to worry about that anymore. But yeah, I guess it's just kind of, well, what's the Hikari enum stuff? Int enum. Wait, there's just such a thing called an int enum? Huh, I didn't know that. Yeah, this is Discord bot. We also imagine not following Pepe standards. So this would be what? I guess Hikari.enum then? Is that what it is? Hikari has no attribute enum. Faster implementation of Python's enum because the built-in is slow. Well, what is it? It's internal. What you mean? Hikari.internal.enum like that? Apparently not. Apparently so. Having been subscribed to the channel for 6 months, you are a first-time viewer. Well, I'm not so sure about why. Whatever, it's fine. Not sure about that. Oh, it's .enums. Right, I see. .enums. Unexpected. Oh, expected as actually 2 base classes for an enum. Ese what? Wait, do we have to first in and then the right. So this? Or this? I'm guessing you mean that? Well, I was fine with it apparently. Just in, okay. And it's enums, not enum, right? Like for sure. Minesweeper 10. Ooh. Ooh. Oh no. I might leave that alone. I might just go up here and hit a bomb. Nice. Not nice. I'm glad that happened. It's going to be basically impossible. So I guess the enum's okay. Alright, so I guess there are 2 things we can do. The first of which is, try and finish this Minesweeper game off if people want to see that. Or if people don't want to see that, what we can do is we can go and look at the repo that was in that video. Because there's a PR by the developer of Lightbulb that actually changed a lot of stuff. And I was going to have a look at that. So do we want to do... Actually, I could do a poll. So I don't know why I don't just do that to begin with. Poll. Yeah, that one. Question. What should I do? Responses. Continue with mine. Sweeper. Look at example repo PR for... Okay, look at example repo. So the example repo PR is the light bulb thing. Yeah, there's a light bulb. Well, apparently the video I put out was a little bit wrong. The thing that I kind of like brought in editing me for was introduced in 1.2, but there was a load of stuff that was like easier to do in 1.1. But then the examples didn't really do anything like that. It did it the really asinine way. Because there's a really asinine way and there's kind of a far more just a far better way. And for the for some reason, like the official examples just did it a really weird way. Well, the last stream was basically just Minesweeper stuff, but we did a video as well. The other option is going back to like the video code and stuff. Discord.py's best alternative, which it is. But yeah, a lot of this isn't my code. I just kind of nicked this off Max, to be honest. Okay, so look at the example repo as one. So in that case, I guess we will come out of this, and then we'll go and look at that. This is the PR here. If I just bring up the actual code itself, so CD programs, playground. I think it'd be light bulb. No. Oh no, it'd be playground Hikari intro. There we go. Buying 9 votes. So hang on. Let's go back to the bit that's actually kind of in question. So it is. Well, we'll just go to a dice one for now. So on this one currently, we have this this property for options. All this stuff down here, you have the description like that, enable guilds and whatever. And actually what I need to do is I need to git reset. And that should, no, git reset hard head. Unstaged. Oh, yeah. Oh, really? Oh. I spelled hard wrong. Okay, yeah, there we go. So this should now be where the repo is. Yeah, there we go. So this is what I had. And then this is kind of the PR for it. So as you can see, it kind of uses the load extension stuff to do the slash commands, which I just didn't realize at the time. I didn't think it worked like that. So that is a big meme. And then, on this stuff we kind of have here. So this description up here is just, I suppose it's now like more a class variable rather than anything else. And then you have the options here, and then, well, the actual options kind of work the same as far as I can tell. But it just makes it a little bit nicer. It means you don't have to have all this like crazy property stuff and whatever. It just kind of works. And then obviously you have this bit down here, and then the underscore bit, load unloads to do the stuff, and then the same things for the other thing. Yeah, pretty much. Which is, it also looks cleaner in this particular use case. I don't know if Tomo's updated the docs, because the docs had it this way. I got all this from the docs. So if the docs don't have it like that, then they really need to be honest. So I'm gonna pull it. He said he didn't have time to test it, so I'm gonna pull it down and see if it works. So I'm gonna have to do, actually, because I made a clones one, didn't I? Clones, yeah, and then git clone this, and then cd Hikari intro, and then va, and not va because I don't have a venv. Python 3.9-m venv.venv, va, and then might as well do pip install -r requirements unix.txt. Kind of self for twice the productivity. That would be very useful to be able to do. I'm going to sell watermelons for credits. Nice. Sounds like a plan to me. And then load this up. And then we should just be able to, so it should have all the newer stuff. Yeah, there you go. So it should be Python-m lightbulb bot, and that will, no such directory. Oh, because I didn't move the secrets file over. So I'm going to open it in the Explorer, and then yeah, it's playground, isn't it? There's so much crap in there. I've really got to clean that directory out, because that's kind of my misc directory, I suppose. Okay. Hikari has stopped. Is it going? I mean, no. What in the world is happening? Okay, that was weird. We don't need this Redis server open anymore, actually. That was incredibly strange. So it'd be, what is it? Dice. Yeah, dice number 10. Object has no option, attribute option values. Oh, has the requirements of TXT not been updated? It has not. So it's what, 1.2.1 now, I think. Actually, is this even gonna like change it? No, it did. Hikari Lightbulb 1.2.1. There you go, Hikari launching just a bit fast this time. Dice 10. Ta-da! It works. Awesome. I'm getting a ping, probably from the Hikari server. Yes, I am. Down here in Lightbulb Help. What is ping? Oh my god. Oh, this is the equivalent to getting rickrolled. That is a big meme. Yeah, that seems to work fine. Yeah, that appears to work okay. Yeah. Whoa, what in the name? Okay, that is... Can you get to... Oh, yeah, I forgot you can actually link yourself to these. That's kind of cool. And there's the server. That's an interesting image. Yeah, that seems to work fine. Oh, that's great. Welcome, Cider, to the stream. Are you doing okay? It's faster because it doesn't create the commands all the time. Yeah, because it's just kind of, it has it all in the... So I'm presuming the properties access the class variables, alright? Oh no, it's just abstract. Oh, it's always abstract methods. Everything's an ABC, and you just access the ABC directly, I swear, at this point. Can I get in? Oh, it's not able to find it. Top level / command base. That's not really what I want. Where is it? It's so difficult to look through this stuff. So it'd be / subcommands / group. Welcome Max to the stream. Hope you're doing okay. So much stuff with the bot. Oh, here we go. Subcommands. Oh, this is this other stuff. Can I go up here? / command base. I guess it'd be / command base. There's a hydrate. Bottoms up. Oh. Oh my god, Max. Jesus Christ. Oh no, check it. Time out somebody else. Farquhar just timed out someone. I don't know who it was. Who was that? I don't know how long it does it for either. Oh, does it just randomly time someone out? Is it random? How long? Hang on, does it show up in my chat? Hang on, because I would have the mod view. Oh, welcome Zeus, by the way, to the stream. Hope you're doing okay. Can you make a Discord bot without using any Discord library? Yes, you can. You can do the... Just, it doesn't say who got timed out, no. Yeah, it is possible to do, but I'm not doing it. So have fun with that if you want to do that yourself. It's probably one of the people that's not talking. It genuinely doesn't say who it is, which is interesting. That's very weird. Is there not like a timeout history or something? Show mod icons. There has to be like some sort of history for it. I don't know. Probably well lurker bots. Maybe. That's a well implemented feature. Yeah, seemingly so. No one's ever used that before, so I don't know. I meant, can you do it? God, no. Actually, screw that. Now, that does remind me that there was someone in Discord.py server. I set a breakpoint there accidentally. And there was someone in Discord.py server a few hours after the announcement about Discord.py was made. And this person pinged Danny and asked if he'd considered handing the project over to me. Which is a hilarious thought. I would never have taken it on, ever. But it was really funny that someone actually thought, hey, this project's dead, why not give it to Carberra? Which is hilarious. Something actually has a mod action actually had to be taken in the chat. Is this the first time? It's probably the first time ever. What happened in there? Do I get to see it? I guess I don't. I don't really know what happened there. Oh well. Yeah, I have literally no idea how this works because it's all ABCs and I can't figure out what bloody thing it is. Is it some sort of like util? Oh, you know what? It probably wraps around Hikari. That's probably what it is. I really don't know. Yeah. Oh, it's going weird. For some reason, it does not like me. Oh no, this is happening again. Okay, I had an issue earlier where my mouse just started freaking out. I am going to turn the trackpad off. Did I fix it? That appeared to fix the problem. Yeah, there's some sort of weird bug in my trackpad today. I have no idea what it is, but it just starts randomly selecting stuff. So I've just turned it off. Yeah, who is timed out? And also, how long for? It's very interesting. Oh, I found a bug. I found a typo. Look at that. / subcommand line 283. There is a typo. What a meme. Do I open an issue for that? Is that the only time that's been done? Oh no, I want the actual. I want a match case. It should already be matching case, and it isn't. I'll match whole word. Yeah, that's the only place it's been done. What a goof! But yeah, anyway, the PR is fine. But it's the thing. So yeah, viewed. Yeah, viewed. It would be nice to get some sort of like dynamic thing down here without having to just like add them manually. That would be kind of cool. I might work on that, but for now that'll work fine. Yeah, and then accept, approve, submit the rating, and then merge it in. So I think it's just the one commit, isn't it? Oh, that's a point. I can do. Yeah, actually, I completely forgot. I noticed that last time I looked at it, and I completely forgot to look at it. Well, come on, was that in the dice, right? Oh, it's there. There's like a no. Can I add a suggestion? Suggestion. Oh, I completely forgotten. It's been such a long time since I've done this. I've completely forgotten how it works. I'm guessing it's like that. Ugh. Okay, no, wait, hang on. So that... No, that's not it. How does it work? How do I select multiple lines? I know you used to be able to do it. It's not that, is it? I don't know. How do you do it? Refresh the page. Okay. Oh, there you go. This is what... Yeah, that's what I wanted to do. I just could not bloody remember. Yeah, so I'll just do that on my end. Actually, isn't that like a really bad thing to do? Oh, well, I don't care. I was clicking and dragging. It wasn't working. Merge. That'd be merge imports. Actually, just be like remove commented import. I don't really care what the history of this repo looks like, to be honest. So, it's still. You didn't get rid of it. I mean, it looks like I didn't get rid of it anyway, did it? Did it get rid of it? Oh no, we'll see. Yeah. ELO. So I guess, yeah, sure. I guess we'll have to reapprove it, and then we'll just merge it. And we'll see what it looks like, and if it's still messed up, we'll just like rewrite it. Who commented out import? So yeah, that presumably worked then. I'm gonna guess. So squash and merge, yeah. That's what I normally do with PRs, to be honest. Squash and merge. What is this mess? Also, whatever, it's fine. Yeah. Squash and merge that down. Now it's merged. Cool. So that's in the actual thing. Is it still messed? Is the big question. It isn't. Fantastic. Or was it in the user info? I don't remember. It was in the user info, and it's still messed up. Okay. So only allow squash and merge. Yeah, I may have done that with Carberra as well. I don't remember. Yeah, naturally, that commit just didn't work, so we're gonna have to go back and do it again. Where even are we? I have no idea what the previous file is. How do I look? I don't know how to look. I was in clones. Okay. For some, I've just completely forgotten how to use my computer, which is kind of weird. Oh, come on, there we go. And then git pull. There we go. Oh, we moved it from dice, but then user info was still... Well, okay, whatever, it's fine. Git s, git commit. Oops. Okay, I've spelled that very wrong. Lightbulb commands user info -m remove commented import, and then push that back up. Nice. Come on, there we go. Oh, so much better than what it was before. Yeah, it looks so much better. Right. I don't really know what to do now, to be honest. I didn't really plan this stream much. I was like, I'm going to go live now, and then did. So I don't know what to do. Anyone have any ideas? So what I could do in the meantime, I could show you what I've kind of been doing in my own personal time over the last few days. We're looking for stuff to do. Welcome, Iceman, to the stream. Hope you're doing okay. I'm seeing your message, yeah. Helped out deal with all the PRs. Yeah, I probably could. I could probably go review some Hakari PRs. Why not? Akari. Oh god. How many are there? Oh, I do like how Akari Pie doesn't even appear on the search. User, there you go. Just a few questions. Go for it. How many? There's 5 of them. What does that symbol mean? Oh, it's draft. It's a draft, I see. Town crier. What in the name? What is a town crier? That was a lot of stuff. If you could show me a sample of a chorus style of cog, someone told me it's called plugins and lightbulb. Well, conveniently for you, we were just on that repo, so I can go back to it. I'll go back to it and look it up. It is also, this is what I was working on before. I might as well shut it off at some point. Lightbulb. Oh, the lightbulb one looks like this. So this is slash command. So plugins are different. Actually, to be honest with you, Iceman, I would recommend using this repo. And I did a video. I'll just quickly bring it up. I don't know if we're even on the right account. We are not. Amazing. I do love it when the YouTube channel switcher dies. I have no idea what other languages. Any I'd choose to learn. Probably going to try and learn Kotlin at some point for app development. Yeah, it's this one that I'm talking about. Discord.py is best alternative. This kind of runs you through the Hikari stuff. And apparently this view actually hit 1,000 views. Is that it hit 1,000 views? And there we go, yeah. This video has had 1,018 views since it was published. Nice. And most of it came up in YouTube recommendations, which is interesting. Yeah, quite a few from the search as well. Yeah, after the intro it all dies, but there you go. Yeah, that was my old channel. I still use it to watch YouTube because there's a lot of like favorites data and stuff on there, so subscriber analytics. What, in general or just on this video? Because the subscribers have been growing quite a bit. This has kind of stopped becoming a a programming stream at this point. So this is August. Yeah. So what is this? Is this total across? Okay. You can see that June and July were pretty well. Actually, in views, it hasn't really. Not a lot has happened. No, we've had kind of this huge spike over the last 2 videos. Subscribers, yeah, we've kind of been on a slump. And then July was really bad, and August it kind of came back up right at the end. So if I could make a Hikari thing, public API won't reach. Well, you mean I'm presuming you're talking about the repo at this point. Oh yeah, this is the revenue. As you can see, the revenue. Yeah, December was really bad for views, but really good for revenue for some reason. And then I think August was like one of the better ones. It's been interesting. My revenue has absolutely shot back up again. Can I see like day by day? Because this isn't what it used to be. Also, can this leave my site? Imagine it's probably that button. Yeah, there we go. I want it by day. Oh, monthly. There we go. Daily. There we go. So as you can see, there's been quite a. Oh, this is views. Yeah, that's views per day, and then if you bring in subscribers as well. Oh God, where even is that? Absolute mess. Thank you for the follow, Tom. Do appreciate it. As you can see, yeah, subscribers have shot up as well since those Discord.py videos. went out. I think it's only matched by. I think this is the only day in history that's ever had more than yesterday. Oh no, yeah. So yeah, yesterday was the third highest day for subscribers I've ever had, based almost entirely off of those Discord.py/Hikari videos. What a gigantic meme that is. Yeah, I just merged the PR Tomo. So that's all in there now. Yeah, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go down on the poll. I just realised Twitch are all /commands as well, aren't they? Interesting. Events different from D.Py and Hikari. Not very is the answer to that. They work more or less the same. The only main difference, really, is that... Well, I mean, they work slightly differently, but like... The main difference is that you pass in the event. You don't pass in a specific number of arguments. It's always just the event, and you get the options from that. The other big one is that the onReady only ever runs once. Unlike in Discord.py, where it runs every single time the bot connects to Discord, which is just ridiculous. So a number of people not sub and a number of people sub. What, you mean for the previous video? I think the last two videos is about 50-50. I'm going to put a poll, see what we want to do. Bearing in mind this is the last stream until I think the 10th. So there isn't going to be a stream on the 9th, but there will be one on the 10th. Because I am moving in on the Monday. I'm moving into my uni apartment on the Monday. So this is the last stream we're doing here for a while. And then my mom will still be here on the 9th, but she'll be going on the 9th. But I won't have time to do a stream. So it would be on the 10th instead. And then beyond that, I have no idea what my stream timetable was going to be. Because I start classes here on October the 11th. So the stream timetable is going to have to change then again. But I will be able to do later streams when I go back to uni as well, so that'd be good. Yeah, Hikari is pretty damn OP. Yeah, I'm okay now. Wow, a lot of people just want to chill. Okay. Signer Gamer contributed 900 channel points. My word. Okay, well, in that case, I will change the name of the stream real quick. I have seen your question, Iceman. I'll come back to it in a second. So, edit the stream info. Oh, hang on. We're probably going to mute that just in case. Plus, chill. I don't know. Makes sense. Writing more data classes. Show example event in Hikari. How do you capture events? That would be in the... that would be in here somewhere. Oh, I thought I had 69 followers then. That would have been incredible. Also, do follow me on GitHub so I can get to 69 followers. Cheers, do appreciate it. So events. I can show you events here. Yeah, so in the actual bot thing, so you subscribe in plugins and stuff, it does work more like Discord.py, but here it just kind of like you subscribe to the events themselves, and then you have it sort of creates this mapping of a function versus the event itself, and then you do it. So you have on starting, which is kind of like on connect, on started, which is like on ready, and then you have on stopping, which is like, well, it doesn't have a D.Py equivalent technically. Use bot.listen. Yeah, what to actually show? I don't think I have a bot.listen around here. I'm not sure the Hikari testing one ever got a bot.listen, to be honest with you. Unless, actually, there might be one in one of the old tags. Because up until stream 4, it used Lightbulb. So it might be somewhere around here. Extensions, admin. Was there one in admin? No. There was one in error though. Yeah, there we go. Plugins.listener. It's how you do it in plugins. Yeah, there is also a stopped event, but I don't really know if it's useful. It's good that it's there in case there is ever the time that you need it, but I don't think you really would. Let me bring that example up. Whoop. Oh yeah, this is the bot.listen itself. But inside plugins, it's similar to Discord.py in a way that, you know, it's different inside a cog/plugin rather than just the bot itself. Oh, the callback part is only in the / commands. The callback part is just kind of the function that gets run whenever you like run the thing. Also, I just realized I didn't type in this. That's pretty bad of me. Actually, did I type in any of it? I'm not really sure I typed in any of it. Well, this bit is all type hinted. I guess it was just that bit that I didn't bother to type in. Because I'm dumb. Did I type in it in the tangent one? I might go back in and do that. I did. I'm going to go in and quickly do that. What, have you got a PR on the intro? This one. Oh, there you go. Merge requirements txt. File size 8. Oh my goodness. What was the description? Only set up UV loop if running as a script. Oh, that's interesting. Huh. Well, why? Well, what's this changing? I'm not really sure what this is changing, to be honest. The def, the file was deleted, There is a way of doing it like that. I did wonder. Okay. That answers that question. Also, you've got a weird... Yeah, there's going to be a merge conflict with that. You already set up UV loop if you're running as main. But if... I don't think there's any... I suppose that's a fair point. Like, is it like more just to be safe than sorry, I guess? Import the script as a module and use the functions if you wanted to. Yeah, that's fair. I don't really know why you'd need to do that in this case, but sure, we'll just go with that. I mean, I just had it up here because of the example, the Hikari example. Yeah, okay. That's a good thing to know. I was thinking, is there a way to do it? And I thought, I don't think there is. Apparently there is, so that works. And then it's just the rest of it is just, I presume, just run through it in black. Yeah, those look fine. So I'm pretty sure it's only the one commit. Yeah, we can just merge it naturally. Actually, is it worth? I don't think it's worth squashing and merging. It's basically just. I might as well just squash merge anyway. Why not? For the meme. So I actually need to do that in the testing as well. Oh, that's gone down a version again. No. For some, yeah, that didn't. I don't know why that didn't. Oh, because it wasn't a merge commit because of the thing. Right. Git. Oh, this is probably going to actually force a merge commit, isn't it? No, it's not. Okay, fantastic. This needs to be 2.1 again. Git. What an actual meme. Requirements.txt. Bump light bulb version number, and then git push. Well, I updated it at some point. I don't remember when I don't remember what happened with it, but it's updated now. I mean, normally I care about the commit history more than I do in this case, because this is kind of a sort of a throwaway example repo per se, so the Git history doesn't matter as much, so I don't care if it's a little bit messy. I need to go, so what I need to do is I need to go here, and then I need to do it down here as well, yeah. So, no, I didn't want to open code. Gosh darn it. CD, and then Hikari. Is Hikari testing just hit? No, it's not. It's in, no, I might as well just go from the start. Carberra, others. Planning Hikari testing, I believe. I think I've got 2 versions of it, so I don't actually know which one's the right version. This is the right version because this is the one with the crap in it. Oh my god, this is an absolute mess. What a complete and utter disaster. So I'm just going to get rid of these 2, I think. And then we need to go in the requirements.txt and then do sys platform is not NT, right? That's how you've done it in the other one. Oh, it would help if, oh no, it's still here. Yeah. Okay, doc. Oh, hello. That was, is Discord not bothering to load? Okay, I don't really know what's going on there. The stream seems to be holding up, so I'm guessing it's a Discord problem rather than an internet problem. It was a Discord problem rather than an internet problem. Fantastic. See, I'm just gonna like check that actually kind of works as intended. I'm sure you've probably already done it. I also need to try pipemp at some point. Pip install -r requirements.txt. There's a lot of oh yeah, I've also got to clone the I've got to clone the Hikari branch because that actually doesn't work at the moment. So I changed it to the 2.0.0 dev 1 and then it just doesn't work. So I think this version has the correct. Go for it, Jax. Yeah, this is the one I want. I need the fork with the task components on it. Because I think Book was saying they didn't work. So pip install requirement. I'll try it on Windows as well, I think. Command error with 1. Huh? Did not find a branch or tag task components. Has that gone? Oh, it may have gone. Fork, faster speeding. No, okay, there we go. Task components. Okay, I guess it's been merged then. Has it been merged? Oh goodness, there's a lot of. Oh, the Dependabot. Oh Jesus. Why you spam though? I'm guessing it was merged in. Oh, also, it wouldn't be on this one. It'd be on the standard Hikari one. Okay, you merged it this morning. Okay. So it would be the standard Hikari master, I guess? Which one is it? It is number, it was, I forget what PR it was. It was like 6, I think it was 684 or something, wasn't it? Oh, if I can just type components. It was number, yeah, 684. How do I remember that? It's the first commit on the repo. Yeah, I just wanted to see. Yeah, it's definitely merged in. Okay. So I guess I can just pull the master then. Now. And it will be fine. Like that. Oh, what in the name? Okay. Thank you, Datnip123 for the follow. Do appreciate it. And it's still not. Which one? The Corey speed ups that works on Dev 102. I don't even know. So how do I package versions of conflicting dependencies? Akari unavailable from versions. Yeah, so it's looking for versions Dev 102. When game night, God knows. Yeah, that's the Redis cache thing. So that basically kind of implements a Redis cache for you. Oh, there's a hydrate. Bottoms up. Lovely. That was a lot more visceral than I was expecting. Oh, these here all have. Oh, look, they all have the same length line. Oh, that is beauty never before seen in the natural. You can't get beauty like that in the natural world. It's genuinely quite impressive, actually. Right, yeah, this is a real problem. So is yours, Jack. Shut up. So I guess you just can't use tangent with the master branch, apparently. Okay. Well, that's annoying. It's now lower, is it? Have I just started talking quieter? Not for you, okay. I'm gonna just say that this task components was merged because it did say it was waiting for it. Actually, I will double check that. Where is tangent? Tangent, there we go. It there though. Oh, add component support. It's still unmerged. Yeah. Well, I guess you just can't use components in tangent at the moment. Tangent. Well, it looks like. Oh, is it? Oh, right. Yeah, it's Sake. Sorry, I thought that was a double equals. Yeah, so does this tilde equals mean like kind of approximately 101? Because I have zero idea what that means. I can make a PR for that. Would it work on Dev 102? Okay, how approximately? Is it like one version up, one version back, or something like that? It should. Okay. Nothing breaking so far. Okay, I will. What I'll do is I'll clone it. Well, I'll fork it and I'll clone it, just to absolutely make sure that it's not going to break. And then I'll set up a PR. Oh god, that's so annoying. That thing comes up every single time. It's like it's not in his pinned as well, which is kind of irritating. Reinhard Sake, there we go. So presumably these requirements still say want dev 93. Huh? Well, that was unexpected. Oh, maybe it's the setup. No, because this would have the parser, wouldn't it? Install yeah, it has. Well, it does it differently, but it does it. It passes it. Does dev requirements want it? No. Wait, why is it saying that it's looking for 101 when it's looking for approximately 93? Shout re for 5 seconds. No. Depends. 1.0.0A1. Wait, is it on? Oh, it's on the different branch. That's why. Task raw dispatch. So this requires 101. So I am gonna fork. Oh, that's not what I wanted to do. I'm gonna fork this to my own one. And then I am going to go into terminal, clones, no, and it's one back, clones, git clone http github.com/faster speeding / no, it's my own one. Sake at task / components. Nope, task raw dispatch, and that should just boot me in there directly. Or not. Does the clone just not work like that? I'm sure it does, right? Huh, guess not. Fine, I'll just do it this way then. I don't really want to check out into it because I don't think it works properly. I don't know. Git. Oh yeah, I need to VA, don't I? Git checkout raw. Yeah, dash. Yeah, raw dispatch. Actually, I think it might have. Oh, it's task. Oh, I also had the wrong file name, I think. Switch to new branch. Okay, so git LP. So does it keep it? It does. Okay. I think I might have just done it wrong last time I tried to do that. Oh, I'm going to do it now. I'm going to do it right now as we speak. And then you'll be using my fork of it. So code, yeah, we'll just do it in code, why not? We will set the requirements to dev 102. And then we will... We'll just push it, I think. Actually, no, because it's going to be... This isn't... No, because it needs the actual branch, doesn't it? Lazy match. Like that. So I'm going to look up what that is. Pip... Because I have no idea. What does tilde equals mean? So the latest version of the package greater than or equal to, but still in the it won't download 0.7. Oh, okay, so it's like, oh right, I see. Okay, so it only installs patch versions. That makes sense. Okay. I guess we'll see. And then what we can do actually is we can go back into here. We can do my one, and then it will clone my one, and then we'll see because it has the updated repo. Actually, no, it doesn't because I haven't pushed it, so it'll probably error again. Come to think of it, yeah, I think I've got to actually push it. That would probably help. Git s, yeah, git commits. Why is the venv not cut out by the git ignore? I might put a better git ignore in there, to be honest. At some point, but for now we'll just kind of update to Akari 2.0.0.dev102. Git push, and now we go back here. Now it should do it. Yeah, I don't know why the I didn't commit it. That's fine. Well, I didn't like it. I knew it wouldn't be happy. Because it's not on the PyPy, so I don't like it. Though I guess we're now at the point where I suppose you just have to kind of download that first. Pip install. Like, I did have a thing before. So is that not really? That normally works, doesn't it? Oh, there we go. It just has to be in quotes. So if we just get that down, success. Oh, Karisaki. Oh, shut up! This is so annoying. rm-rf.venv, and we'll just make a new one. Just make a new venv. VA into it and do it one at a time. So pip install. Do that. Welcome back, Doge. So it should install 1.0.2 now. Correct? Correct. Well, Dev 102. I don't know why I said. Now I just got to do them all at one at a time, I think. Pip install. How long is the stream going on? Couldn't tell you. Probably until 6 and maybe another half hour. There we go. It's fine with it now. My god, dude. And then we'll just do... And then we'll see if this works. Is this going to work? No, it's not going to work. It's worth a shot. Oh, leave off, man. There we go. And then do Python launcher.py. Make sure it actually still works. And then we've got to start the Redis server because of course we do. Of course we do. No module named AP Scheduler. Of course there isn't. So now we've got to install AP Scheduler. And that's not in the requirements for some reason. I think the requirements are just messed up at the moment. There we go. Yeah, that all works. Okay. That was way longer than it needed to be. Right. How in the name of all that's holy do I make a pull request? I guess like this. Yes. So I want to put it. Yeah, I want to put it in the base of raw dispatch. Update requirements to use Hikari Dev 102. Yeah. Yeah, it's the development version if you install from branch. If you install from master, it's 102. If you install from PyPy, it's 101. Yeah. But Hikari, oh sorry, Sake doesn't like that. Yeah. Pretty much. But for now, you can use my fork. My fork works perfectly fine with 102. That would be lazy 101 instead of 102. Well, you could have told me that earlier. I think lazy 101 broke it, didn't it? It is backwards compatible. I mean, god damn it. Fine. He'll squash merge it. It's fine. Update to just to allow backwards compatibility. Oh my god, I've forgotten how to spell compatible. That's right. That must be right. That looks wrong though. And that will work, right? That ain't gonna break. Just cd da 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 da. Hello. Do you mind? There we go. Dash rf dot venv. Does the venv not exist? Oh, I've gone back too far. Oh yeah, I didn't want to go back. I wanted to just VA it. There we go. Python 3.9 -m venv.venv. Alright, see you later, Farcod. Thanks for stopping by. And then maybe I can just do this. -r requirements.txt and it will be fine with it. I guess we'll see. I hope it's fine with it. If it's not fine with it, it's going to be incredibly upsetting. It's fine with it. Okay. Cool, yeah. Okay, I'm going to edit this. Update requirements to be compatible. I'm going to check that. That doesn't... Oh. It is compatible. Okay, it just looked weird. The requirements to be compatible with Core 2.0.0.dev102. Amazing. What a great pull request. And the rest of them are all dependency bots anyway. Oh, this was going to do it anyway. Are you serious? I hate everything that my life has come to. Oh, whatever. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. After targeting one Redis store using it as a key prefixes, you know, it's okay. It's okay. I can't imagine how annoying Dependabot must be, though. I mean, look at all this. Who wants all this? This just looks ridiculous. Why would you ever want that? Yeah, I also like how it doesn't combine them. It opens a new PR for every single one, even if there are multiple. So, for example, this one and this one, it did like at the pretty much at the same time by the looks of things. Well, it did it on the same day anyway. 2252. 2251. It didn't combine them. It just made them two separate PRs. It's dumb. It's dumb. Why would you ever want that? Just do it yourself. Just test it. Just update the dependencies and use Nox to test it all still works properly. This is just clutter. If it merged a lot of them together, then sure. Or if it kept track of a PR, and then if it wasn't merged, it kept updating the most recent one. Like say if it did like bump black here, and if this wasn't merged, it then when it did PyTest, it just merged it onto the most recent one. I cannot get it to go away. Yeah, saw you complaining about that in the thing. I had considered enabling it for this project. This is the one I'm working on. Well, just kind of in general, this project doesn't actually have any dependencies, so it wouldn't be very useful. Well, it does have development dependencies, I suppose. All right, see you later, Dr. Camel. But yeah, this is this thing I've been working on recently. For anyone that doesn't know, I built a project templater for Python, and the current latest release is 0.4. I do want to release 0.4.1 because there are a few bugs. And I think there are specifically two things, and I can remember exactly what one of them is. I don't remember. So the one I can remember, and also I'm rewriting it in version 1, and it's making this a lot cleaner. But in the build, there's somewhere down here. Yeah, you'll be able to see why I'm rewriting this. It worked fine until about version 0.2, and then it became just really unscalable. Somewhere around here. Essentially, like it does an f.read text. I can't type. Yeah, it does it here. But if it's a bytes thing, say like, a PYC file, for example, or an image file, it just errors out. There's no error handling in place. 0.4.1, I'm going to create a warning for that. And in 0.1, it's actually going to support it. But in order to do that, because JSON doesn't deal with bytes, I've had to like create my own. Oh, go away! I've had to create my own like file standards. So that's in spec here. So you have I haven't done the template one yet, but say the profile, for example, I had to build like an encoder and a decoder, and it all like does it in bytes, and there's like checks to make sure the valid file formats and stuff. That's 2 minutes later because a mod had to approve. What an actuary. And yeah, you've got like the entities in here, so it's all kind of done based on. I mean, there's only profile support at the moment, but it's all done based off of objects and stuff. And there's going to be a scripting API and stuff, so it's going to be a lot nicer to work with, as you can see. 49 commits ahead of main. But yeah, it's going to be. How's it down? 3 feet. Oh, that's gone back up again. It's going to be interesting. Working with the rest of it, but PR has been merged. I'm guessing that's this one. Yeah, boy. I'll just leave my requirements as my fork for the time being. Yeah, snap do be speed though. Yeah, well, the downloads number. This is based off the PyPy stats, but I have no idea how accurate this is. So I'm not really sure what this means. So it has, say, the last day, the last week, the last month. But that only includes without mirrors. Like, with mirrors, it's like way higher. So on this one day, I got 409 downloads in one day. But that's not considered in the monthly stats at all. So I have no idea, like, what the difference is between mirrors and not mirrors. But I know there is some library that could do it. I think it's like I think it's PyPyInfo. I have no idea how to pronounce it. But it does. I think it does like a Google query search for it. I think that's probably more accurate. Yeah, you have to like have a full-on project for it and everything. This gives me flashbacks to analytics, where I had to create like a whole docs page on how to create a Google project, and it was huge because it's such an arse to do. Mirrors count much more. Mirrors download the package to later distribute. So I'm not really. Right, so I suppose mirrors are like a different site then, and then these ones are directly off PyPy, I suppose, maybe? I'm not sure. Would the mirrors include something like Conda? I guess it would. But yeah, with this PyPI, you can get like the BigQuery stuff, so you can kind of see all these stats themselves. I have absolutely no idea if this cost us anything. I'm pretty sure the Google query have like 100. Is it 100 gigs free or something? I guess this is just kind of a kind of a standard thing. But The bad certificate domain. Okay, the certificate appears to have expired. Wait, really? That was just on the site. Okay, that was weird. 209. You got 300 a month. Sorry, 3,000 a month. That's pretty good. Yeah, huge things. You got For some reason, like these graphs are kind of just. These don't make any sense. It's the same with all my other projects as well. Like most of them register as null for everything, and it's very annoying. So if I go to mine, if I go to say like, I should be able to just log in again. Yeah, if I go to like analytics, for example, this has exactly the same issue. So it just has all this crazy crap on it. And then video will probably be the same, but that one doesn't really do any numbers because I don't maintain it anymore, really. I was originally going to have like an async implementation of this, and then I just didn't do it. I might do, cause it was going to be for Carberra, and then I'd stopped working on the project. But yeah, if a project's templater seems interesting to you, then feel free to check it out. Yeah, that's my shilling for the day. It's written in R. What's written in R? What, the PyPy stats thing? Use of the titles done in. I don't know what you mean right now. Yeah, PyPy stats. Okay. It's written in R. That's weird. Oh, I've got some notification. Actually, it's probably just, yeah, it's just that thing that I merged in. Noise. Yeah, I have to. Yeah, these lazy resolves are quite nice. Let's see. I'm not sure what I've got for any of this stuff. I think, how would that work for something like MyPy? Because MyPy has like 0.910. So would it just like not update it at all if I had like a lazy import here? And then also, this stupid, it doesn't work either, because packages like Nox have this fucking dumb like year, month, day version syntax, and it annoys the hell out of me. Like, it's one of my like a mega pet peeves. It annoys me so much. Like, why do it like this? It just angers me. Because it's like, you can't tell what versions of breaking changes just by looking at the version number. You can't tell when there's new features. You can't tell what's the security feature. You can't tell what the update is. Like, something like, if this, say, went like, 4.1.3, it's like, oh, there's a bug fix or security fix. It's like 4.2, it's a new feature. If it's 5.0, it's a complete rewrite. But this, you just don't know. So you're just like forced to use this like one single version. You never update. Because you can never be bothered to update the version numbers because you just don't know what they're going to do. It's irritating. It's just annoying, and I don't like it. I don't like it. Does that reference something? I have no idea. Yeah, okay, we've been going for about 1.5 hours. I think I might end the stream here because I've only got about another 10 minutes anyway. Seems we're not doing anything. So thanks everyone for stopping by. Thanks for the follows people that did. Next stream will probably be the 10th of September. But to be honest, I don't know. It may be, it may not be. It kind of just does depend on what I feel like doing at the time. And I'll have my new monitor then, actually. So this is the last stream I'm doing on this monitor. So yeah, thanks everyone for stopping by, and I will see you in about a week or so, probably. So see you later. Bye.